Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a landing page on Mailchimp. Now, come here and click on create at the top left. And instead of email, don't go through with this and start looking for templates. Come here, okay? Landing page. On the left-hand panel, you'll see this option. We'll go ahead and click on a landing page. Now here, we'll choose a name of our landing page and the audience. So the audience I had imported with a CSV file, and we'll name our landing page answer ASAP. Okay, so we'll basically design for us a web page that basically helps us to convert our leads. Okay, click on begin right here. So now we are able to see different templates they have for us. So let's say this one, lead generation. If we want to increase your leads, this is very simple. And this one is a more modern one to help you promote products. Now it depends on what your needs are, what you're trying to achieve. So if you're trying to grow your list, okay, get more emails, then go ahead and pick something like this one. It depends on what you're looking for. If you're just getting leads, I'll go ahead and use this one right here. Okay, this one is a bandmate lead generation. So I'll come here and we're able to edit this landing page. Okay, everything here is customizable, guys. So you don't have to worry about that. So right now it is loading the template for us and initializing everything. So here you go. It has picked up this template. Everything here, guys, you can edit. Okay, for example, right here, we can edit this. So we can, of course, use the creative assistant to instantly generate for us, beautiful designs. So we can use this one. Let's try it out. And here it is loading up. You can come here and just enter your website URL and it will import your brand for you. Or you can try out a sample brand. So let me go ahead and import a website. All right, we're going to put it at the test with this website. I copied the URL. There you go, pasted that in, and now we're going to import this brand. So it should pick up the logos, the colors, fonts, images, things like that. So it's collecting all our assets and building for us our brand kit. So just give it a few moments. All right, I'm surprised. It is actually doing a pretty good job. Wow, okay. The logo was perfectly picked up. Okay, this is really good. I'm impressed. So now we're waiting for it to be fully done. All right, so these ones look nice. Remember, guys, we have a logo for a channel here, which I had added in our brand kit earlier when I created this account. So that is why those were picked up. But otherwise, this looks really nice. So we can choose whichever design we want. Of course, you can animate these. So this one is animated. And if you don't want it to be animated, you can toggle it off always. So when they click on your landing page, it will be just like this, a normal web page without any animations. I'll go ahead and keep the animations on to give a premium feel. So we'll go ahead and insert this design to our landing page, right? All right, that looks pretty good. I'm very happy with this. Okay, now we can save and close this right here. So this is part of our landing page. Okay, you can edit everything here. You can come and click on this as well. And you can go ahead and edit this. You can change the color, the text. So if I want to change the color, I just come and click on that. And we can come here and change the color accordingly. You can use this slider, pick up any color you want. You can change here as well. If you want to use the creative assistant for these as well, you can go ahead and do that. Just click on creative assistant and it will do the job for you. I'll just close this for now because you've already seen how we went along with that. Okay, you can follow the same process. And if you want, guys, you can make anything clickable. Okay, for example, if you want to add a logo right here, you can go ahead and do that and make it clickable. What I'll do right now is I'll come here, okay, and preview this page for you. Let's see what this looks like. All right. So they'll just come down here and put in their email address and just click on subscribe, and we will be getting their details in our audience. Okay, it'll be added automatically to our Mailchimp audience. Everything here can be edited, guys, so go ahead and do that. And that is how you can go ahead and create your landing page.